That's Sarajevo right there. So we came here today to Sarajevo to check out some places, and we actually saw a place that is called Waterfall Skakavac. We never been there, and we found this crazy path, which is like super hard to walk on. Like if you can see, we managed to get with our car like right there, and we went through a super narrow road and everything for like 25 minutes. We were driving on that super narrow road, like very sketchy, and but very interesting, and well, it's got that sense of adventure. That's what I want to say. So Emina and the kids are a little bit in front there. Let me show you like the couple of routes to the Skakavac. So this is the waterfall Skakavac. We are about here. So we are here. I don't know if you guys can see correctly, but now you can actually. So we are here. The waterfall is right there. I have no idea like about the distance, but we will see. We will keep walking, well, until it gets boring or too much, and then we'll turn around. Tare vedo. Wait for me, guys.
Vidiš, usta su mu dole i njuška.
Gdje mu je usta njuška?
Pa ono dole iz popčina, vidiš da ima
Ja, ono mu
usta.
gore rogovi.
A ono mu ko se jako sagio.
It does look like a deer. Yeah, that's his mouth, his neck, and then on top, like he's got his horns and antlers, actually, not horns. It's antlers. Oh, how cool is that?
What about I throw this into the wild?
No. We don't throw anything down here.
Papa,
Oh,
look what I found.
a little leaf?
Yep,
That is nice.
yep.
Shall we add it?
It was crazy.
Holy crap, Ty! Whoa, it's so high!
Is it?
Dude, it's insane high.
Bro, it looks like a stick bug.
Look at me.
Where's the camera?
Hey, buddy!
Very sharp.
Adventure.
If you fall,
If I fall, you're gonna save me, aren't you?
huh?
You're gonna save me if I fall, Ty?
Of course.
That was a cool little
Yeah.
adventure.
Yeah, what?
Super cool little tree. Vedo, look what we found, Vedo.
Well, that looks like Hulk.
Look at that.
That looks like Hulk.
It's some graffiti.
Baba,
Oh.
you know this. Like this. Like this.
Like that?
Yeah.
Oj.
Guys, we have a change of plan. We wanted to go check out that cute little amazing waterfall which is called Skakavac, but well, little Vedo is too tired, so I have to carry him now. You see him? That's my boy. He's too tired, he can't make it. We made it basically halfway, and there was a sign. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. And there was a sign saying we have 45 minutes left to walk.
Yeah.
And that seemed a little bit too much for us, since it would take us 2 hours in one way and 2 hours in the other direction. So we would basically spend the whole day just trying to get to the waterfall. So we had to abandon the mission, and we'll do it next time.
Ice cream. All is me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yakala. Babam. Ice cream. Hello, babam. Babam. All is me. Okay. Ciao. Ice cream. Ice cream. Hi, Javi. Hala. Thank you. Ciao, ciao. Oh, ice cream. What's tea? Hadi dođi. Vanilja, chocolate, limon, strawberry.
Može nemo limune, mine.
Ne, jagoda.
Jagoda? Ok, strawberry.
Okej, jagoda, wyjdom. O, babam, ice cream, hadi dođi. Babam, okej. Ice cream. Okej, wyjdom. Hadi, thank you, bye bye. Ciao, ciao. Bye.
It's Oreo.
Ooh, Oreo? Veda, what kind of ice cream did you get? You get some blue sky ice cream. And I got some pistachio.
But Papa, what is this the bed?
Oh yeah, let's go. Baš čašije stavim. Tarce, so we were just at Baščašje. We took a nice walk, it was fun. But the crazy part is it's so crowded with people that you can't really film anything, right?
Yeah.
so we couldn't really film anything, but it was still fun. We got some ice cream, we got some cevapi.
I just saw a crazy car just parked so fast.
Yep, there's some crazy cars in Sarajevo.
Yeah.
But and we parked our car just in front here, and it's just behind the corner to the right. And I hear Veda somewhere. Oh, Veda is all the way down with the Mina. Hurry up, guys! Let's go, Pat.
Let's go.
So yeah, it was good, but I have another cool place that we are going to, and it's called Vratnik. And Vratnik, we can make some cool drone shots and stuff like that. So yeah. Alright, we found our car. And there's no parking ticket on it, so it's good.